Just started to record my ride on this Beeline Moto. Really cool feature. You can just record your rides and then save the map for like a video or something, which I'm going to do. And it has auto pause if you stop moving. Welcome back to a new episode, everyone. Terry here on Down the Road Productions. This episode is a review of the Beeline Moto motorcycle navigation unit. It's really nice. We did buy it for our Rocket 3 GT. We can use it on either the Rocket, one of our bikes, or on the Honda Goldwing if we so desire. Bought an Xitomer mounting bracket for it off Amazon as well. That was about $15. Came with no instructions. I figured that out. I've got the Moto Beeline on the bike now and I absolutely love it. This is only $214.95. There is a subscription for $49 a year with a 30-day free period for added features on the Moto Beeline. Let's get into this and talk about it a bit more. I think you'll see in a moment here or two that it's very clean. It looks like it came with the bike. It just looks really good on a Rocket 3 GT. So let's go. If you're new here, these are the kinds of videos we do here. Motorcycle, auto, truck stuff, travel stuff sometimes moto camping. It got so hot here in Michigan. I'm going to let the weather cool off a bit before I take the Rocket out camping. So thank you for being here. We do have a lot of people viewing, so please subscribe. That'll just help the channel if you can subscribe for sure. All right, let's get into this episode. Let's have a good one. I hope everyone is doing good, and thank you for being here. Let's go. What happened here was the Beeline Moto 2 comes with these rubber bands. They're black. There's a short size and a long size. You get 4 in total. So I took the two long ones, did not use the short ones, and I took the Xitomer. There's a rubber ball that goes here, right here, and I just unscrewed it. And then I took the 4 bands and looped them underneath the base mount for the Beeline Moto 2 in each direction from each side. So looking at it here, you can see how I did that. The Beeline Moto 2 does not come with any other mounting hardware than this flat round piece and the rubber bands. To put this on, you just place it here. You want the off button facing down. I put the Beeline on the Xitomer, and this will just come right out over the top of the IP on the Rocket 3 GT. You just put it on and twist it to the right and it's on. The reason I got this, I had thought about getting a normal motorcycle GPS like a Garmin or something. Lots of money, or a Zumo. The turn-by-turn navigation that comes with the Rocket 3 GT and the Rocket 3 mobile app, or the Triumph Motorcycle mobile app, is entirely insufficient. This outclasses that. It'll be nice to have on the bike. It's a very high quality setup here. There is the USB to charge it. It holds about an 11-hour charge. And when you go someplace, you just twist it off and put it in your pocket so no one can walk up to it, twist it off. Just started to record my ride on this Beeline Moto. Really cool feature. You can just record your rides and then save the map for like a video or something, which I'm going to do. And it has auto pause if you stop moving. This is a great view, and I think it's much better than a standard GPS unit. So here we go, recording my ride. You can see it's giving me the direction in degrees. I'm pointing south, 169 degrees. I've got my dark visor down and I can see this super easy. Now I'm going 88 degrees to the east, now 89. This is pretty darn cool. So while you record a ride, it gives you your mileage stats and a compass heading. It's kind of cool to watch that compass spin around when you cut through a turn. Another advantage to this is that I took my phone off here. I don't have this blocking my view here anymore. My phone's right here because I just use my phone for navigation. I can still get calls and everything through my Bluetooth unit. I just set my phone in my center tank bag. It looks so much better than a plastic GPS unit. This comes in bronze. I got bronze, silver, and all black.
So there's a good color selection. I like bronze because it kind of stands out. And again, that display does not sun wash. I like it. It looks like it's part of the motorcycle. It doesn't look like I added anything to the motorcycle. I think that's one of the best things about it. So this was $214 and I think 95 cents during Amazon Prime. It was discounted down from like $260 or $270 for additional features like traffic rerouting, for example. There's a yearly subscription that you can try for free for $49 for 30 days. And let me do a turn here. You'll see that. Hope you can see the compass spin around. I love it. I'll provide a list of the subscription services before I close the video out. Turn-by-turn navigation is standard. Recording your rides is standard. The compass is standard. Put your destination on your phone. You can save your favorite destination like your home address. You just go from there. We've gone 23.7 miles so far, 44 minutes and 28 seconds of riding. And there is the time. It's 14:02. It includes the time. And right now, we're in ride record mode, so it has auto pause. I'm just going to leave it. And there it's saying 23.7 miles I've gone so far. If I may, so I picked bronze because it matches the bronze here on the Rocket 3 GT. And Rocket 3R. Definitely like this more than a standard plastic, you know, nav unit that would have gone here. It should have fit okay. It would not have been clean looking like this for sure, folks. And this here, the adjustable, really isn't impacted that much. It's very, very high quality. It's telling me I've got 91% battery charge left and my phone is at 55%.
This part of the video is an aesthetic walk around, so you can see it right here. It turns on and off by holding the button down behind it, lower bottom. 3 seconds to turn on, 3 seconds to turn off. I'm leaving it on right now because I'm recording my ride. It's in auto pose right now. It's a compass, tells you the time, just is loaded with so many features. And the thing I love the best is this display will not wash out in the sun. I just want you guys out here to see what this looks like on a motorcycle, especially the Rocket 3 GT. I'll come around this way. Do that. Right here. The kit comes with these 2 sets of black rubber bands, small and large. I used large and I wrapped it around the base unit here to attach to the Xitomer, and it came out great. And this will twist off like that if you need to go into a store or stop someplace to eat and you don't want anyone to steal it. It goes right back on like that. It will give you battery power left. I'm at 90% and it's telling you my phone is at 50% charge. This is so cool. So, you know, I obviously sit relaxed on this bike right here, and you can see how it looks like it's part of the bike right about there. It's just really super nice. Far better than a more expensive Zumo or Garmin GPS unit, that's for sure. And I can use it wherever I want to use it. On this bike, my Honda Goldwing, or one of our off-road pedal bikes.
Okay, so what you do here is you tap it once. I see what I was doing. And it's asking me to start a ride or shut it off. Now it's shutting off. There it goes. So when you see that check mark, you just tap once behind the unit here at the bottom. Learning it as I go. Okay, 44 miles and we are back. 3 hours, 8 minutes and 3 seconds, and it's 4:26. And let's check out the bike itself. So it says here I got 36.7 miles to the gallon. Range left is 57 miles, and the bike says I traveled 45 miles This says I traveled 44. It's connected to a satellite. This isn't. Time to wrap up and finish our episode on the Moto Beeline review and the Xitomer mounting bracket. So the Xitomer mounting bracket came with no instructions. They were impossible to get. The Xitomer is a Chinese-made product. I figured it out. The Moto Beeline is absolutely extremely high quality. It's less expensive, even with a subscription for added features, than a plasticky, more expensive GPS unit, whether it's Garmin or whatever. We're giving this 5 stars and want to encourage everyone, whether you got a Harley Davidson, an Indian, especially like an Indian Cruiser, like a Scout. This would be great on a Scout. Whatever it is, this is what you want. For turn-by-turn navigation, just navigation in general. It looks good. It looks like it's part of the bike. There are 3 colors, black, silver, and bronze. I did bronze to match some of the exhaust on the Rocket 3 GT. I think I picked right. I'm very, very happy with this product. All right, guys, time to wrap up this episode. Thank you for watching this quick product review of the Moto Beeline motorcycle nav unit. It's really good to have you here. I appreciate you. We appreciate you more than you'll ever know. Please give us a subscribe. It'll just help this channel out. We do a whole flavor of things around automotive and motorcycles and trucks. I'm Terry. I always tell people life's not fair for no one. There's mean people everywhere. Biggest thing is that if you get knocked down, get back up. It's hard to do sometimes. But just know that out there in the universe, the On Down the Road Productions universe, there's a guy like me or somebody thinking and praying for you. Until our next episode, do the best you can do. Nothing's guaranteed on a day-by-day basis. You got another day, make the most of it. We're on your side. Obviously, I look at things from a consumer point of view. Until next episode, take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching us on this episode, and keep burning down the road with a good nav unit.